Developers make houses. We make homes. Welcome to Chidanand Sankul project. Project designed for selective people who desire for experience of holy peace. This project is with all ultra-modern amenities of international standards, keeping view of future housing requirements by Lakshmi Balaji Construction. Project situated at a very prime location of Aun is walking distance from Parihar Chowk, near Aun Baner Junction. This project is almost completed and finished. It's 99.99% work. A well-designed attractive motorized entrance gate, delightful kids play area, digital card access for main lobby, 24-hour security, ultra-modern world's best Schindler elevators, spacious staircase with stainless steel and glass railing, 2 closed-circuit cameras on each floor, scientifically approved firefighting system, spacious entrance lobby in front of each flat, very attractive 8 feet height strong entrance door with digital locking system introduced by Korean company named Dorma Kaba, having biometric, numeric, card access with key entry, which are gigasonic features. We have provided double charged adorable vitrified tiles of Italian marble design, UPVC windows with toughened glass of world's one of the famous company named Rihau. Heavy duty safety grille and balconies are decorated by stainless steel railings with toughened glass throughout the flat. Each flat has elegantly designed by modular switches of Spanish Legrand company, Wi-Fi point provision, video door phone point, EPBX intercom system throughout the society and facility of Microtech on-grid plus off-grid inverter. Every woman is emotionally attached to kitchen, so special care is taken by keeping every Grihalakshmi's requirement. The kitchen is provided with telephonic black granite platform, world's #1 German company Hafel hardware for kitchen trolleys, Faber compact chimney and AO Smith alkaline water purifier. The toilets are accessorized by sanitary fittings of Toto company, CP fittings by Grove company, solar water system with additional features supported by AO Smith heat pump. Generally, developers provide waterproofing only for toilet areas, but we have waterproofed whole floor plate of each and every flat. Considering safety and privacy of bedroom, we have provided Sifon company's 4-stud base heavy-duty brass locks. The internal walls are decorated with tractor emulsion paint, while the exterior are decorated with Asian Apex Altima paint. This fabulous project is of only 15 tenements, but having huge storage capacity of 1.5 lakh liters underground water tank with division of bore water, corporation water and domestic water processed by water treatment plant. Apart from this, rainwater harvesting, garbage sausage for biocomposter, terrace gym, regular parking plus stagnant parking provision are also incorporated as standard feature. Each and every flat is designed as per Vastu Shastra. Very few 2 BHK flats of approximately 1150 square feet area and only one luxurious 3 BHK flat of 2100 square feet area is left and available for booking. Every home is destined for specific individuals. So maybe it's made for you. So please hurry up. What are you waiting for? Grab this opportunity and write your own fortune to be one of the fortunates. Before reaching to any conclusion, believe in us. Visit once and you yourself will experience a beautiful combination of scientific engineering and international brands. Let's be a part of this pleasant, cheerful, phenomenal housing complex. Chidananda Sankul, project by Lakshmi Balaji Construction. Contact 7276 69 7878 8087 42 0089 9511 73 7728. Chidananda Sankul, Vidhate Colony, near Medipoint Hospital, Baner, Pune 411045. So welcome to Chidananda Sankul. Happiness 24/7.